Welcome to Amztree Pro. Today we are taking a deep dive into the Amztree Queen Mattress, a 14-inch hybrid mattress that promises to change the way you sleep. If you are tired of waking up with a sore back or feeling your partner toss and turn all night, stick around because this review is for you. We are going to break down everything from the unboxing process to the comfort layers, support system, pros, and cons, so you can decide if this bed belongs in your bedroom. Let us start with the delivery and setup. Like many modern mattresses, this one arrives as a mattress in a box, shipped straight to your doorstep. Unboxing is pretty straightforward. You just pull it out of the box, carefully cut away the plastic wrap, and watch it expand. The manufacturer recommends waiting between 24 and 72 hours for the mattress to fully rebound and for any initial packaging scent to completely dissipate. Once it puffs up to its full 14 inches, it looks and feels like a luxury hotel bed. It is versatile too, working great on box springs, platform bed frames, flat bases, or even directly on the floor. Now, let us talk about the core technology. The Amztree mattress features a hybrid design that combines pocket coil springs with memory foam. This is where the magic happens for your spine. The individually wrapped coils move independently of one another. Why does this matter? Because it drastically reduces motion transfer. If you sleep with a partner who moves around a lot, or even a restless pet, you will barely feel a thing on your side of the bed. Furthermore, these pocket coils provide targeted support to the key areas of your body, keeping your spine properly aligned throughout the night. This targeted support is a game changer for reducing muscle pain and morning stiffness. On top of that robust innerspring system, you get premium plush comfort layers. These layers are crafted from high-density foam and breathable materials. They gently cradle your body in softness without making you feel like you are sinking into quicksand. The open structure of these materials promotes continuous airflow. This means the mattress feels cool and comfortable throughout the night, actively regulating your body temperature to prevent overheating. If you tend to sleep hot, this breathability is a massive plus. Another standout feature that deserves a lot of praise is the strong edge support. A lot of bed-in-a-box mattresses suffer from weak edges, meaning you feel like you are going to slide off if you sleep near the side. Amztree solved this problem by reinforcing the edges. This provides a stable surface whether you are sitting on the edge of the bed to put on your shoes or sleeping right up to the border. It effectively maximizes the usable surface area of the queen size mattress, giving you every square inch of sleeping space. Safety and health are also major priorities for this product. The Amztree Queen Hybrid Mattress proudly holds both CertiPUR-US and OEKOTX certifications. This means the materials have been rigorously tested in independent laboratories. You can rest easy knowing the mattress is free from heavy metals, formaldehyde, ozone depleters, and other harmful substances. It is safe for you, your family, and the environment, allowing you to enjoy a fresh and non-odorous sleeping space from night one. Let us weigh the pros and cons to give you a balanced perspective. Starting with the pros. The hybrid construction delivers an exceptional balance of contouring comfort and deep support. The motion isolation is top-notch, making it ideal for couples. The enhanced edge support gives you more usable sleeping space. The cooling airflow design prevents night sweats. Finally, the CertiPUR-US and OEKOTX certifications provide great peace of mind regarding health and safety. On the con side, there are a few things to keep in mind. Because it is a 14-inch thick hybrid mattress containing dense foam and heavy-duty steel coils, it is quite heavy. You will definitely want a second person to help you maneuver it into the bedroom during setup. Additionally, it features a medium firm comfort level. If you prefer an ultra-plush, cloud-like sinking feeling, or conversely, a rock-hard orthopedic surface, the medium firm feel might take a few nights to adjust to. Lastly, you do need to wait up to 72 hours for full expansion, so you cannot sleep on it at its absolute peak performance right out of the plastic. In conclusion, the Amztree Queen mattress hits a fantastic sweet spot in the crowded mattress market. It offers premium features like independent pocket coils, cooling comfort layers, strong edge support, and certified safe materials, all at a very reasonable price point. Whether you are a side sleeper, back sleeper, stomach sleeper, or a combination of all three, this medium-firm hybrid mattress adapts well to your body and promotes healthy spinal alignment. If you are looking to upgrade your sleep quality without breaking the bank, this is a very strong contender. Link in the description.